Is the Samsung A03s good in 2026? Short answer, no, not really. I've been using this device for about a couple of days now, and I want to say a few things about it. It is not the best device, and it's not the worst device, but it definitely isn't a good device. This device does have a lot of good pros to it. It's a 720p display. It has two speakers, one on top, one on the bottom. It has a headphone jack, USB Type-C charging. I'm not going to gloss over the fact that I did say it has a 720p display, and that's pretty bad for modern day phones if you ask basically all of the populace. Don't get me wrong, I am definitely hating on this phone because, well, it definitely is not good for American standards, but there are some actual good things about it. Yo, random break with bad audio. Please like, favorite, and subscribe if you want to. And why do I ask for favorites when they don't matter? Don't even know. Even though it has a 720p display, whenever you watch YouTube videos, it just looks really good for some reason. Maybe it has to do with something with the software, but it looks really good. Here's an example of a YouTube video. It doesn't look bad at 720p, 60 frames per second, and it has a zoom to fill in feature, which is very nice. The teardrop camera does kind of ruin it a little bit, but most of the time, your finger's going to be covering it anyways. Now, here are the really bad things about this device. Even the ones that I mentioned before were not as bad as this basically right here. What's 1 terabyte worth of memory storage when you have a 13 megapixel main back camera for photos and videos with a 2 megapixel whatever and a 2 megapixel depth sensor, which is nice to have, but I mean, like, really? 2 megapixels each? That's bad. The selfie camera has 5 megapixels, but still. This device only supports 15 watt fast charging, which is better than the standard 5 watts, but still. Most devices have at least 20 watts worth of fast charging by now, so having 15 watts in this modern day and age for fast charging is just not enough. This device is not worth it in 2026 if this is your main phone. Get this as a secondary phone or for a productivity setup style of a phone. If I'm being honest, the only reason why I bought this device is because my A02s videos just exploded out of nowhere, and that still gets views. So I might as well do the A0 lineup of phones because those are popping off even now.